going on, guys? Buck here. I got a few things in the mail today that I've been waiting on. So being that I don't have a whole lot of content on this channel yet, I figured I'd go ahead and record it and show y'all what I got going on. So let's get after it. First up, got my stickers in, my decals for the new channel. Now, Sticker Mule, if anybody is looking for somewhere to get some decals for their channel, Sticker Mule is pretty good and they're pretty reasonable. John and Lindia with Small Water Charters put me on them, and they're always having some kind of sale going on. And I got an email, and the email did say labels, 50 labels for $29 if that was a special. And I didn't think, really, I didn't read into it, you know. What I needed was the round decals, not stickers, or not labels, but you know what, I got them, and hopefully they're just as good quality wise. From what I read, they're supposed to be waterproof and weatherproof and this and that, so they should do just fine. So let's see what they look like. Once again, shout out to James with Cranking and Yanking for hooking me up with my new logo. I appreciate that. I had no kind of way, no program of doing it myself. And it's a little more detailed than my Backwoods Hillbilly with Fishing with Bubba and Uncle Buck decal. So I appreciate that. And there's a damn red wasp in here. Still cold outside. You better stay down there dazed and confused, or I got something for them. Alright. It don't look too bad, and they do seem pretty durable. They're a little smaller than I would have liked. They're these are 3 inches, but I'm just gonna pass them out for free anyway, so who cares? Yeah, it's not too bad. You know, I will be sending these out to a few people I know that want one. If you want one, drop a comment in this and send me an email. I'll put my new email for this channel up somewhere right there somewhere. But yeah, they are a little bit smaller, just to show you a size comparison. No biggie. I think these were 3.5 or possibly 4 inches. These are 3. I'm curious now. Yep, these are 4 inches. The new ones are 3 inches. Like I said, you're getting them for free. Who cares, really? You know. I kind of like them. Got my pretty mug on, you know. But and of course, you know, Sticker Mule. They give you a little coaster. And a couple of their logo stickers, so pretty cool. Again, you can't go wrong with Sticker Mule. They got good products, and they do way more than decals, so check them out. Unfortunately, they're not paying me to say that. And I got another order that I put in with Bruiser Baits. Yeah, I'm very impressed with what I have so far. I got that one. Oh man, I'm drawing a blank. It's a paddle tail swim bait, the Slimmer. Real impressed with the durability of it. Usually with you know, one of my zooms or what have you, after 2 or 3 fish, it's pretty much done. So far I've got 9 fish on the very first one that I've hooked, so I'm impressed. But I started thinking, it's getting to be the warmer temperatures, and during the summertime and whatnot, I like throwing the worms with a curly tail, and I did not order any of those, so I had to put in another order. I got a few other things too, and I don't remember what I got, but we're about to find out. I made sure to order a bruiser decal this time. I wish I would have last time, but I didn't. And I like stickers. Now they had these on sale. These are, what do they call these? Super swimmers. And all it is a paddle tail swim bait. But if I'm not mistaken, these are a little bit bigger than the slimmer swimmers that I already bought. But I would compare them with those are in my tackle bag because that's what I'm currently using. Again, they got incredible detail. I don't know if y'all can see that. They got the eyes on there, got the little scales and whatnot, and they even got their, there you go, you got their logo molded into the tail. That's pretty cool, and pretty tough. I dig that. I don't remember what color these were called, but they look good. Alright, this is the 10-inch curly tail knockout. I got these in the Junebug color. Let's see, there you go. You can kind of see that. Got the good little ribbon tail. Here, when the water's warm, I don't know what it is, but that curly tail gets their attention. And these pretty super detailed as well. They got really a lot of detail going on with these things. Good looking worm. And here's some more. These are Okeechobee crawl colored. Kind of I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, kind of a, I don't know, tannish color belly into the kind of bluish sparkle, again with the ribbon. Cool. And decided to try some of these. Now these are called the Evil Twins. Got these in the moonlight color. Got the little twin tails on it. Once again, incredibly detailed. Now I got these to try because I really like taking my beetle spins, and I'll take the thought I had one of these open. I'll take the tail off of the jig head, and I usually put the little, you know, let's see here, I'll put a little curly tailed grub on it, and it's had a lot of luck. It's given me a lot of fish. Figured I'd see what this looks like. In fact, let me go ahead and rig this up, see what it looks like. Why not? Y'all don't mind, do you? Now, as far as beetle spins go, the only ones I like using are the 1/4 ounce size. They'll catch anything that swims. I think this is gonna turn out pretty good. It's starting to warm up here. Excuse me. Matter of fact, if you saw my last video, you know that I had a pretty decent afternoon after work. Went down to the wishing well and I actually managed to pull out 3 nice bass, which was a shock to me. I did not expect to catch them, but I did. So that tells me it ain't gonna be too much longer. It'll be prime time for bass. Gotta tell you, this thing is looking pretty short. I'm gonna go ahead and put the spinner on because that's how I use it. Gotta pardon my sniffles. Got a little sinus issue going on today. That ain't bad looking at all. Not at all. Y'all see that? Yeah, no, I got a little sway back going in it, but it's alright. I think that's going to get it done. That is a bruiser beetle spin bait. I'm excited to throw that. I think that's going to do real nice. But anyway, on to the next. And true to bruiser fashion, they sent me another little sample pack. This is just awesome. That's a great idea. I agree with Joe at Parabellum. All these other bait companies need to take notes. Alright, and again, I'm going to have to get on their site and look up all these different things and see what they're called, because I'm not sure. That's got a nice garlicky scent. Looks like some type of little swim bait, maybe. I really don't know. It's not too terribly big. It's got the little tail on it. You know, there's not as much detail in this, but it probably doesn't need it. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it looks nice. Let's see what we got in here next. Ooh, now that's nice. Huh. It's kind of, it's like it's I don't know. It's looks kind of like a leech. Real. I don't know if y'all can see the ribs on there. It's pretty much ribbed all the way down. There you go. I think I can see that a little bit better. I can quit shaking it. I think that'll get a bass's attention. Got us a crawl. Now that's pretty cool. Looks like I'm not sure if that's their logo or what. It kind of look at the pinchers. Got a lot of detail in there. I think yeah, I'm not sure if that's their logo or not. Anyway, got us another one of them what do they call these, mega stick, I think, something like that. It's the big old Mondo worm. Not Mondo, because I think that's another brand, but anyway, you know what I mean. A big and kind of a June bug color with a kind of a bright blue tip there. Got a couple more in here. All right. Like a little finesse worm. Cool. And got a couple more crawls. Kind of a, I don't know what you would call that color. Kind of blue, kind of green. I don't know. And this, I don't think this is actually a crawfish, but some kind of little deal with several appendages that's just going to dance around and get their attention. That's pretty much all I got to show off today. But like I said, if you want one of my new mini stickers, yeah, got you. If you want one of them little 3-inch value buck labels, hit me up. I got 50 of them. I'll be glad to send them out. So let me know. And I got a deal planned I'm going to be doing soon, doing a review on a particular rod and reel combo. Don't know when I'll get to do that, but it's coming. So anyway, that's pretty much all I got to talk about tonight. So once again, I appreciate everybody who followed me over to the new channel. Looking forward to doing a lot more fishing. And that's pretty much it. So glad y'all watched. I appreciate your support. And yeah, see y'all on the next video.